Hi, my name is Marietta Mahani, and this week's Aqua tip we're using a noodle and we're using it across the chest. Now I'm going to do a movement pattern that I know that you've done before, but I want to share something with you that I sort of had a little bit of a self-discovery the other day. I've used the noodle in front of the body and asked people to do big kicks to the front of their body, and yeah, it's good. It's a good exercise. It's great for the hamstrings. You know, sometimes I might have changed the arms. But what I have never done before, which changed things for me, was actually ask people to reach for their ankles. So now, reaching for their ankles completely changes this exercise. And they have to use their abdominals more. They've got to throw the opposite arm out to the side. It takes this exercise to a whole nother level. So, opposite arm to foot. Now, as I bring my hand forwards, the other arm's going to sweep out to the side. Fingers are open, and I'm reaching towards the foot. What I like about this is that people are leaning forwards, they're leaning into the exercise, rather than what often happens when people lean back and everything switches off. I say you've got to reach your ankle, which everyone can do. Okay, so you don't have to be super flexible to do that. I'm not very flexible. Yep. Everyone can reach towards their foot or their ankle and reach towards it. So if they can't reach it, they will go as far as they can. Got it? All right, now, got it? Did you get that? All right, so opposite hand to foot, arms sweeping out to the side. You're leaning into the exercise. Woo! Now, that really works your abdominals in a way that the other exercises didn't. The other exercises focused on hamstrings. This focuses on your abdominals, upper body, and hamstrings. I played around with some rhythm, so I want to share that with you. What I was doing was I was going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh. Oh, wow, such a good abdominal exercise. And it gets your heart rate up too. Here we go. Oh, wow. My abdominals are so tired. It's such a good abdominal exercise. And like I'd never thought of doing it like that before. And the other day I was just playing around, creating some new choreography. And I was like, my Lord, this is like a revelation. It's a revelation. So get your clients to reach towards their foot. They'll have to swing the opposite arm out. Play around with the rhythm, because that's where you'll really get the stimulus with the slow and the fast. And welcome. My pleasure. And that's this week's Aqua tip. All right. Easy, super easy demonstration this one is, because all you need is a chair and of course the noodle. But this is a really easy demonstration because it's way harder in the pool than it is for you on land. So this one, you just sit on a chair, noodles in front, and all you do is ask people to reach towards their foot. So noodle here. Now if you can keep it tucked underneath your armpit, but do show that the arms have got to push all the way out to the side, because if they just reach towards their ankles, you know, this, they won't get the same sort of effect. It's the fact that they're reaching towards the ankle and that other arm is sweeping out. That's why they'll feel it in their abdominals, and it's a great workout. So other than that little piece that I need to show you there, the rest of it's really easy. And so then you're going to ask them to go slow, and then if they want to, they go fast. And I recommend that you do play around with rhythm. Whether you do what I was doing in the pool, 4 slow, 8 fast. You could go 2 slow, 4 fast, or 1, 2, bump, bump, slow, quick, quick, slow. So there's a few different rhythms that you could use for this particular exercise. Great abdominal one, so make sure that they understand that they're supposed to feel it in their abdominals so that they do reach as far forward as they can towards their foot. And that is this week's Aqua tip.